Hey guys, welcome to your very own YouTube channel Success Sequence where we daily analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty's important move and expected level for the next day. So as I suggested in my previous video, market is now stuck between two broad moving average, which is 55 and 89 days exponential moving average. So till the time the market is not going to break either on upside or downside from these two particular moving averages, we are not going to see any decisive movement in the market. So I have clearly mentioned that in my previous video. So in this today's video, what we are going to do is we are going to analyze the market's further behavior by analyzing option chart data and various technical indicators. So first we'll discuss about the price action. So if you see today, market did try to go on to on a high side, but the candles resistance did previous candle support, as you guys can see here, acted as a stiff resistance for the market. So 10,560 was acting as a resistance, and it continued. However, the 55 days exponential moving average also acted as a strong resistance for the market. On a lower side, 89 days exponential moving average did hold on to did help the market to hold on to its support zone. So here you can see the market was slightly trading below this particular level, but was not able to breach this particular level. So to conclude, what I feel is if market breaches either of these moving averages, then definitely the trend or the trade will be in that direction only. So that is what I believe. Now let us analyze option chart data to get the further clarity as to what the market participants are expecting. So option activity range for the market, if you see, is 10,300 to 10,800. Now the support has shifted higher and the resistance has also shifted on a high side. So indicating this particular move indicates that the market participants are expecting a up move to come. Now if you see the call data, you can definitely see a good amount of call writing that has happened near the level of 10,800. So 10,800 is definitely not going to come. Now what you can also see is that the second maximum change in open interest has happened near the level of 10,500, and the call has returned in this particular direction. Now market is already trading about 10,500, and call writing did suggest that the market participants are expecting some sort of hold from this particular level. So market participants are not seeing much of an upside from this particular level. On the contrary, if you see on a put side, you can see that the put has been returned near the level of 10,300 to 10,450. So definitely, since the market has hold on to 89 days exponential moving average, now the market participants are sure that now market participants are feeling very certain that 10,300, 350, 400 and 450 will be acting as a good sort of base for the market, because the 10,500 has been acting as a base as of now. Now if you see on a high side, 10,500 to 10,800 level, the mixed position you can see, put long is getting covered and puts are also returned, so broadly indicating a bullish move. Now call side, you are getting a bearish move. On a put side, you are getting bullish move. But if you holistically analyze, what you can see is 10,400 is definitely going to act as a good sort of support for the market. So if market goes down and sees or receives any rejection near 10,400 kind of level, if at all it goes down to that particular level, you can definitely expect a comeback from that particular level, because and the option activity range is suggests that the market participants are observing support near that particular level. Now whether you should go long or short, I have already mentioned that let the market decide its direction and let us know that where this breach happens. So as of now, we are not doing anything and we'll wait in which direction market will break or hold. So that was my analysis for Nifty. Now let us quickly see what the Bank Nifty is suggesting. So I already mentioned in my previous video about the Bank Nifty that I am of the feeling that the Bank Nifty should reverse or take an U-turn from this particular level, because what you can see is this particular level, which is 25,700, has been acting as a good sort of support for the market. And in our previous video as well, we have discussed that the put are continuously return in this particular level. So this particular level has been holding on to. Now if you see the option activity range, it is coming near 25,500 to 26,300, and the call side, you can see that the calls are written, so indicating a bearish move. And on a put side, again contradictory position, puts are written. So definitely there will be a strong strong efforts by the both the participants, call and put participants, and both are betting against each other. So definitely there will be volatility. Market will go up and down and will swing in both the direction. But till the time it breaches above this particular level, we are definitely not going to see any sort of significant move. So let us wait for that to happen, and then only we are going to decide our trading strategy. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you have liked my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share it to your friends and family, and in case if you have any doubt, you can always mention it in the comment section of the video. If you want to learn how or what system I am using to generate buy and sell, definitely check out the video description for the detailed playlist. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.